It ain't my fault. You little bitch ass niggas made pancakes every morning. Hey, do you guys want some pancakes? Do you guys want pancakes? You never had a nigga like me to come in there and smack one of you niggas and say, nigga, what the fuck are you making pancakes for? We can go to IHOP. What are you talking about, nigga? Well, I don't want no pancakes from you, nigga. I want to go to IHOP. I want to go to Waffle House, nigga. What the fuck I look like eating your pancakes, nigga? I don't know where your fucking hands been at, nigga. I know I scratched my dick all day, nigga. Dish detergent couldn't even clean that shit off. No man's fingers. So why the fuck would I want you niggas pancakes when I can go to IHOP?